Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to buy web hosting and domain from Hostinger. If you buy web hosting through my link, you will get an exclusive 20% discount. So link in description. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to a page where you will see 4 different hosting plans. Each plan includes a free domain which you can claim after purchasing hosting. Single plan suitable if you are complete beginner and on a tight budget you can host only one website. Premium plan great for blogs or small e-commerce sites. You can host up to 25 websites. This is the most popular plan. Business plan allows you to host up to 50 websites. Cloud startup plan ideal for large scale projects. You can host up to 100 websites. As per your requirement, just click on choose plan and after selecting your plan, choose the duration. I highly recommended selecting 48 months, 4 years for the best value. If your budget is tight, so minimum 24 months select. After choosing a plan, click continue and register your account. Enter your email address and create a strong password and click on register. Now here you add your billing detail like first name, last name, address, country, country code, your province, city, zip code and mobile number and click continue. Now add your payment information, name on the card as it appears, 16-digit card number, expiry date and CVV 3-digit code on the back. Click submit and enter the OTP one-time password received via email or mobile. Once done, your hosting and domain will be successfully purchased and you will be logged in automatically. If not logged in automatically, just log in manually using the email and password you just set up.
When you log into your account, you will see a dashboard like this. If you see a different screen, simply click on the Hostinger logo and this main view will appear. Now we will claim a free domain and install WordPress on it. Click on the Websites tab in the menu, then click on Add New Website. You will now see some options. Select WordPress to install it. Now you need to enter some WordPress login detail. Select language, choose your preferred language, admin email address and create strong password. After filling in these details, click on next. You will now see two options, pre-built website and create website with AI. Do not choose these. Instead select create a blank site and continue. Now you can search for a domain name that you want for your website. If the domain is available, you will see a free tag. Select the domain and click on next. Now it will ask you why you are creating the website. Select your country, choose personal if the website is for yourself or choose business if it's for a company. Click next to continue. Enter the following details like first name, last name, email address, province, city, address, zip code and mobile number. After entering all the required information, click on finish registration. You may need to select your country again. If your country is not in the list, choose the nearest one. Click on finish installation. Now you will see that WordPress is installing on your domain. This may take a few seconds. Once it's done, your WordPress admin panel will open. So now you can see our WordPress admin dashboard is ready. In this way, you can easily claim your free domain and install WordPress on Hostinger in just few simple steps.
In this video, I will show you how to download, install and activate Rishi theme in WordPress. And finally, how to import a portfolio website demo step by step. You can also import e-commerce and blog website demos the same way. So let's get started. First, open your browser and go to rishitheme.com. Here you will see a free download button. Click on it. A form will appear where you need to enter your email address, first and last name. Then click on download now. You will receive an email with a download link. Click the link and your Rishi theme will start downloading. I have already downloaded the theme, so let's move on. Now go to your WordPress dashboard. From the left sidebar, go to appearance and click on themes.
At the top, click on Add New, then click Upload Theme. Select the theme file you downloaded and click Open. Next, click Install Now. Once the installation is complete, click on Activate. Congratulations, your theme is now active. Let's visit the site to see how it looks. Right now the website is completely empty. So the next step is importing a demo. To import a demo, go back to your WordPress dashboard and again click on Appearance. Now you will see an option for Rishi theme. Click on it. Scroll down and click on Starter Templates. Click on Install Rishi Starter Templates to access the demo templates. Here you can search for the type of website you want. Since I need a portfolio website, I will search for portfolio. As you can see, several portfolio templates are now visible. I am going to import this template by clicking the import button in front of it. The full demo preview will open. Click import complete site. The click I want to proceed, click continue, then import demo content and click continue again. Scroll down and make sure check the box that says delete previously imported site. This will remove any old content. Finally click continue and your demo import will begin. In just a few seconds the demo will be fully imported. Click on view site and check it out. As you can see, our portfolio website demo has been successfully imported. Hi there, in this class we will learn how to customize header, footer and colors of our website. So let's get started. First we will change the site title, click on settings and you will see the option for site title. Just type in the name you want for your website. Next you will see the site icon option right below. Upload your site icon here and click save changes. As you can see, our site title and icon have been updated. Now let's move on to customize the website colors, header and footer. Click on the customize option. This will open the customization panel for your theme. At the top you will find the global option. Click on it, then select colors. Here you can choose your favorite color for your website. Your theme also offers some pre-made colors palette. You can pick any of them if you like. To keep the video short, I will select color palette 2 and you will see the colors updated on the website immediately. Now let's customize the header. There is also a download CV button in the header that we need to fix because right now it just opens the contact page. We will change this so that when someone clicks the button, your actual CV will open. To edit the header, click back and then click on Header Builder. From here we can easily customize the header. To change the logo, look for the image widget and click on it. On the side panel you will see the current logo image. Click on it, upload your new logo and select it. If your logo looks like too big, you can adjust its size using the logo size option right below. The menu links pages can stay as they are for now. We will customize them in the next video when we remove the dummy content and publish our own content. Now let's fix the download CV button. Click on the button widget. You will see the button title option. Here you can change the text of the button. If you want the button to open your actual CV, first upload your CV as a PDF in the media library. The copy of the link and paste it here in the button link option. After setting this up, click publish. Now when you refresh the website and click the button, your CV will open properly. This way you can easily upload and link your CV to the button. Finally, let's customize the footer. Go back again and click on footer builder. Just like we added the header, you can click on each widget one by one and customize the footer however you like. To keep the course short, I suggest you try customizing the footer on your own just like we did with the header. It's super easy once you get the hang of it. Hi there, in this tutorial we are going to learn how to customize your homepage using Elementor, and trust me, it's super easy even if you are a complete beginner. First you need to open your homepage with Elementor At the top, you will see the option Edit with Elementor. Just click on it and your home page will open inside the Elementor editor. Now that our home page is open, let's start with the hero section. This is the top section of your home page. So change the image, click on the image and on the left sidebar you will see the image option. Click on it and upload your own image. Make sure your image is in PNG format for better quality. Once uploaded, just click insert media and your image will be replaced. Now change the heading. To change the heading text, click on the heading in the hero section. In the sidebar you will see the text, replace it with your own name or any title you want. Now change the short line. There is a short line of text under the heading. Click on it and change the text in the same way through this sidebar. Now change the button. Click on the button and from the left sidebar you can change the button text. In the link field, paste the link to your services page so when someone clicks on the button, they will be taken to your services. See, in just a few seconds we customize the entire hero section easily with Elementor. Now scroll down to the feature work section, click on the heading and change it from this sidebar just like we did earlier. Here you can add your work details. Click on the image to change the thumbnail. Below the image you will find the heading and description. Click and edit them from this sidebar. Repeat the same process for the other images, headings and descriptions. You can showcase different projects or skills here. Now comes the services section where you show what services you provide. Click on the icon and search for an icon that matches your services. For example, I will add a WordPress icon. Next, click on the heading and update it. Then click on the description and write a short explanation about your services. At the bottom, there is an important Get Started button. Click on it and paste the link to your contact page. This way, whenever someone clicks the button, they can contact you directly and you will be ready to earn money from your services. Repeat the same steps to add more services. I am explaining briefly because the process is the same for all of them. I don't want to waste your time by repeating the same steps over and over. Now scroll down to the testimonial section, click on a review to edit it. First change the client image, scroll down to edit the review text, client name and designation. You can add more reviews by clicking the add new button. Reviews help build trust and more trust means more sales. The next section is about your expertise. Click on any skill bar, for example, Adobe XD 90% and update it with your own skill like WordPress. Change the percentage, for example, 90% to 95%. This is a great way to visually show your skills to visitors. Next is the brand section where you can showcase logos of brands you have worked with. Click on each image to change it and upload your own brand's logos. And the next section is call to action. In the call to action section, click on the button and add your services page link in the sidebar. And the next and last section, blog section, you can leave it as it is for now. Once you delete the dummy blog post and publish your own, this section will automatically update it. If you want to add any new section, simply click on the plus icon and create whatever you like. You can also edit the other pages of your website in the exact same way. Hi there, in this class we will learn how to customize the contact page using Elementor, which is very simple and easy. As soon as you scroll down, you will see a contact form. When you import a starter template, the form automatically adds your admin email address. So whenever someone sends you a message through this form, you will receive it directly without any issues. Inside the form, you will need to add some of your details. First, we will add our location. Just click on the location section and from the sidebar you can easily change the address. Next, in the same way you can easily change the email address and mobile number. This page is very important for any portfolio website, so make sure to set it up properly. However, in today's time, having a WhatsApp floating button on our website is essential. It allows clients to contact you directly and buy your services without any hassle. In the next lecture, we will learn how to add a WhatsApp floating button in the website. How can easily add a WhatsApp floating button to your website? To do this fast, go to plugins in your WordPress dashboard, then click on add new plugin. In the search bar, type chatty. After searching, you will see the fast plugin called floating chat button. This plugin has a 4 plus star rating, over 30,000 installations, and most importantly, it is compatible with WordPress. So just click on install, then activate. Now before we set the floating icon, you can see that there is no WhatsApp button on the website. But after the settings, the button will appear. To set it up, click on Create Widget. Here you will see many icons you can add to your website. But in the free version, you can only add 2 widgets. We only need one widget, WhatsApp, so that is enough. First, I will delete the 2 default widgets. Then I will click on the WhatsApp widget icon. Now below you will see the WhatsApp settings. Enter your WhatsApp number. Turn on the Enable WhatsApp widget option. Add a welcome message like hi, how can I help you? Choose your background color, add your nickname and profile picture. You can leave the rest of the settings for now. At the top, click next. Now choose the position of your WhatsApp button, right or left. If you want a custom location, you will need the Pro version. So I will just set it to the right side. Then choose the button size. I will select large. You can also change the call to action text. Instead of contact us, I will change it to WhatsApp. Below you can set the text color as well. Click next again. At the top you will see the trigger option. Make sure this is turned on. Click next a couple more times and finally click save changes. Now your WhatsApp floating button is ready. Let's refresh the website and check. Yes, the WhatsApp button is now showing. So whenever a visitor or buyer wants to contact you, they can simply click on the button, type their message and it will be sent to your WhatsApp instantly. You will get the message right away. And that's how you can easily add a free WhatsApp floating button to your WordPress website. Hi there, your website is now almost ready. There is just one last step left, which you can easily do on your own. I don't want to make this course unnecessarily long, so I will just explain it here. Simply go to the blog post section and delete all the dummy posts. After that, whenever you publish new blog post, they will automatically appear on your blog page. We are already customized all the pages, so there is no need to worry about any dummy pages, just leave them as they are. Next, go to the media library and delete all dummy images, videos and files that came with the demo content. Also head over to the categories section and remove any dummy categories. Now your website is completely ready. The next step is to add your website to Google Search Console with the help of the Rank Math SEO plugin. This will help your website start getting indexed on Google. As you continue publishing blog posts and pages, they will also get indexed over time, helping your site appear in Google search result. I hope you enjoy this course. Don't forget to share your feedback in the comments. And if you found this course helpful, please like the video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.